They sold you a lie. Work for 40 years. Give up your youth. Give up your energy. And in exchange, you get freedom when you are too old to enjoy it. That isn't a deal. That is a prison sentence. The modern retirement system was designed in 1889. The life expectancy back then was 70. Do some math. They never intended for you to survive long enough to collect. They built a system where you run on a wheel until you collapse, betting everything on a future that is not guaranteed. Why do you accept this? Because of a psychological weapon called deferred gratification. From the moment you enter school, society conditions you to believe that suffering now guarantees happiness later. It is a biological hack. By promising a reward decades away, they keep you docile today. You trade your prime years for a promise that might never come. You sit in a cubicle. You endure the commute. You tolerate the boss. All for a golden age at 65. But look around. The people who finally retired. Are they free? Or are they tired, sick, and running out of time? The system thrives on your hope. It banks on your fear of poverty to keep you grinding until your body fails. They want you to believe that time is abundant. It is not. It is your only non-renewable resource. There is only one way out. Stop banking on time you do not have. You must separate your time from your money. If you trade hours for dollars, you lose. The wealthy do not wait for retirement. They build assets. They build systems. They make money while they sleep so they can live while they are awake. Do not wait for permission to live. Do not wait for 65. That age is not a finish line. It is a deadline. Break the contract. Reclaim your time. Or die waiting for a life that was never going to happen.